My groupmate thought Mars and the planet Mars were different things. I was in a group project with a guy who was one of the dumbest people I've ever met. He was a nice guy, but he just couldn't grasp basic concepts. We were working on a project about the solar system, and he was in charge of researching Mars. He came to class one day and said, "I couldn't find anything about Mars. All I could find was stuff about the planet." We all just stared at him, not knowing what to say. Another time, we were talking about the Titanic, and he said, "I don't get why everyone says the Titanic was so bad. I mean, the movie was pretty good." Again, we all just stared at him, not knowing how to respond. The worst part was that he didn't seem to realize how dumb he was. He would constantly interrupt the teacher to ask questions that had already been answered, and he would always try to argue with the teacher about things he clearly didn't understand. One day, the teacher was explaining how to solve a math problem, and he interrupted to say, "That's not how my dad does it." The teacher calmly explained that there were different ways to solve the problem, but he kept arguing, saying that his dad's way was the only right way. Eventually, the teacher just gave up and moved on.